Hey guys, and welcome back over to the NNKH miscellaneous channel. That's right, the third channel, which is just a junk bin drawer and there's no pressure, put whatever you want up. This one, we're talking about Milwaukee Batteries. It is an update to a video I did before showing a battery, 6 amp hour battery that was bought at Home Depot, Amazon, and eBay. The eBay one turned out to be counterfeit. It looked so genuine, but we found a few things where it didn't appear to be genuine. And you know, it's not a knockoff. It's not like a company's just making a battery that looks like a Milwaukee and it works like a Milwaukee. No, they're putting the name on there, and that's just terrible. The one thing we didn't do in that video was a load test, and it turns out the eBay knockoff batteries that look so genuine, they do not pass the load test. So on the left, this is the eBay battery, and you can see when they're both fully charged, the eBay one, the 4 bars stay lit up. So unfortunately, this video is probably helping the counterfeiters correct and fine-tune their counterfeits, but there it is. And here's a genuine one. They weighed the same. They were able to run, what did we run? The leaf blower for the same amount of time, but load testing them, they don't perform the same. So here's a look at the lights. And the big telltale was their font. You see, there's genuine, and there's the eBay. The red is just crooked on there. It's like, how do they mess that up and get everything else so perfect? There's them side by side. Now here we go. Both fully juiced. I'm gonna take the eBay one, throw it in my Sawzall, the hacksaw, and we can pull the trigger. Go lightly, you know, it holds it no problem. If you put any load though, look at that. It just stops. It can't take it. And if we take the genuine one, it just says RAM on there because I keep these in my utility body on the RAM. Yeah, it's crooked cut, but here we go. You know, let it freewheel, okay, and then that's full pressure, doesn't even hesitate. Let's just do that one more time. I'm gonna do all my weight. No problem. And I have to thank a viewer of the channel for commenting about this. He says, hey, you didn't load test him. And I was like, yeah, he's right, I didn't. Of course, I noticed this by then. I said, man, these batteries are junk. So I had them in an impact gun that was much weaker. Here's the eBay, fully charged. Look at it. You can't even pull the trigger. If you put all your weight on it, it won't even go. And all my weight on this guy, you know, okay, all my weight, it might click too. But if you get her going, all your weight, no problem. This isn't even a wood blade. Actually, it might be a multi, but here we go one more time on the eBay. Absolute junk. So if you want to run a light for the same amount of time as a genuine, then see, I can't get it out of here either that easily. Something else I had to do on these is file down the tabs because they don't come out quite as easy and they were getting stuck. See the genuine one, no modification. This guy had to grind them down so that they would sit flush with the case. So anyway, I just really wanted to update that. Do not waste your time buying on eBay until eBay gets rid of all those counterfeiters on there, because we can't be having that. Can't be having a weak battery when you're out in the field. I mean, I'll still keep them. And I did get a full refund, by the way, because eBay stepped in and they were like, all right, yeah, this guy's, he wouldn't send me a return label, and he just kept saying, hey, yeah, I got to ship them back here to like Shanghai or somewhere, and the address didn't even come up, and I sent this to eBay, and finally they were like, all right, yeah, refund for you. But they're getting a lot of people because unless you're pushing your tools hard, you know, the battery does work. It's just nowhere near genuine. So anyway, just wanted to update that. Quick little ditty video, and appreciate you guys checking out the miscellaneous channel. See you again soon. NNKH.